Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new topic in pair of linear equation, that is equation reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. So based on this topic we are going to solve exercise 3.6. So exercise 3.6, better open your textbook. Exercise 3.6, you can see in a textbook page number 92. Exercise 3.6, solve the following pair of linear equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. So first one, 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equals to 2. 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equals to 13 by 6. So let us solve this. To solve this, first we have to reduce these equations to linear equation. So to reduce this equation, we can take 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y equals to q. See here, in place of 1 by x we have to write p and 1 by y we have to write q. Denominator we can see 2 is there. So in 1 by x it is p, denominator 2, plus 1 by y is nothing but q by 3 is equals to 2, and this side 1 by x, that is p by 3 as it is, plus 1 by y is nothing but q 2 as it is equals to 13 by 6. So how we have to solve now? 3 into p, 3p, plus 2 into q, 2q, upon 3 2s are 6 is equals to 2. So 3p plus 2q is equals to 6 2s are 12. We have to multiply this 6 to this side because it is in divide position. If we bring this side, it will be multiplied 12. Let us consider this as equation 1 because it is in linear form now. Let us see this. 2 into p, 2p, plus 3 into q, 3q, by 3 2s are 6 is equals to 13 by 6. Here we can see a denominator get cancelled, that is 2p plus 3q is equals to 13. This is equation 2. Now let us write 1 and 2 first. 3p plus 2q is equals to 12. 2p plus 3q is equals to 13. Here we can see we cannot eliminate anything because nothing is same in this. So if we cannot eliminate, we know that what we have to do. This 2 we will multiply here and this 3 we have to multiply to next equation. In previous problems we have solved like that. So 2 3s are 6p multiplied to the whole equation. 2 2s are 4q is equals to 12 2s are 24. 3 2s are 6p plus 3 3s are 9q is equals to 13 3s are 39. Now we can eliminate 6p, but signs are equal. So what we have to do? We have to change the sign. Lower equation sign we have to change. This we get cancelled. Now 1 minus 1 plus, we know that minus 9 minus 4, 5q, but greater sign is 9. So minus 39 minus 24 we have to do, that is 39 minus 24 is 15. 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 15, again greater sign is minus. So minus get cancelled. Q is equals to 15 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. What we got? Q is equals to 3 we got. Now put or substitute Q is equals to 3 in any equation. Let us take 1. 3p plus 2q is equals to 12. 3p I'll write as it is, plus 2q value is 3 is equals to 12. 3p plus 2 3s are 6 is equals to 12. 3p is equals to 12. 6 if I take this side, minus 6. 3p is equals to 6. P is equals to 6 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So P is equals to 2 we got. Here we got the value of p and q, but we want value of x and y. We know that we have taken na. We know that 1 by x is equals to p. 1 by x as it is equals to p is nothing but 2. So here 2 we have to bring, that is x is equals to 1 by 2. X value what we got? 1 by 2. Now similarly 1 by y is equals to q. 1 by y as it is, q value is 3, therefore y is equals to 1 by 3. So we got here x value and y value. X is equals to 1 by 2, y is equals to 1 by 3. I am going to do the next problem. Let us see second one question. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equals to minus 1. So I will write here now. I have written 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equals to minus 1. So let, again we have to reduce, let 1 by root x is equals to p and 1 by root y is equals to q. So here in the numerator it is, so directly we can write 2p. 1 by root x is p. 2p plus 3q is equals to 2. Equation 1. For this we will write 4p. 1 by root y, 1 by root x is p. Minus 9q is equals to minus 1. Solving 1 and 2. 2p plus 3q is equals to 2. 4p minus 9q is equals to minus 1. See, nothing can be eliminated, into 4 into 2. So let us multiply 4 2s are 8p plus 4 3s are 12q is equals to 4 2s are 8. 2 4s are 8p minus 2 9s are 18q is equals to 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now we can eliminate 8p, but the signs are same. So let us minus. This will be plus. This will be plus. This eliminated. Now we can see here plus is plus. 18 plus 12, 30q. Greater sign is plus. And 8 plus 2, 10. Both are plus. So q is equals to 10 by 30. 0 0 cut. We got q is equals to 1 by 3. Put q is equals to 1 by 3 in 1. Put q is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 1. In 2 also we can take, but I'll take equation 1 only because we have to prefer easy equation. 2p plus 3q is equals to 2. 2p as it is plus 3q is nothing but q value is 1 by 3 is equals to 2. 3 get cancelled. 2p is equals to, here 1 is there, 2 minus 1. 2p is equals to 1. P is equals to 1 by 2. We got now q value 1 by 3, p value 1 by 2. Similarly, same like we know that 1 by root x is equals to p. 1 by root x as it is, p value is 1 by 2. Let us cross multiply. Root x into 1, root x. 2 1s are 2. They didn't ask to find out the root value. Root x they didn't say. We need x value. So squaring both side. Squaring both side. We get root x square is equals to 2 square. Square and root get cancelled. We know that. X is equals to 2 square is nothing but 4. We got x value is 4. Similarly now 1 by root y is equals to q. We have taken this. 1 by root y is equals to q value is 1 by 3. Cross multiply. Y 1s are root y. 3 1s are 3. Again squaring both side. Root y square is equals to 3. Square and root get cancelled. Y is equals to 3 square is 9. So we got here x value and y value. So Third one, you have to try yourself. Third problem, try yourself, exactly same. You should try yourself. Now I am going to do the fourth one problem. Next, question number fourth. Question number fourth, let me see. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. So I have written here. So here let x minus 1. Here we can see x minus 1, y minus 2. X minus 1, y minus 2. So we have to reduce this. Let x 1 by x minus 1 is equals to p. And 1 by y minus 2 is equals to q. So 5 as it is, 1 by x minus 1 is p plus directly 1 by y minus 2. So direct q is equals to 2. This side 6, 1 by x minus y is p minus as it is 3, 1 by y minus 2 is q is equals to 1. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. 5p plus q is equals to 2. 6p minus 3q is equals to 1. Here we can see that nothing can be reduced. So 6 multiply this side, 5 multiply this side. So let us multiply. 6 5s are 30p plus 6 into q, 6q, 6 2s are 12. 5 6s are 30p minus 5 3s are 15q is equals to 5 1s are 5. Okay, now we can reduce, but 30p both are positive. We have to change the sign. Minus here plus minus 30p reduce, both plus 15 plus 6 21q is equals to 1 plus 1 minus, we have to minus 12 minus 5 is 7. Q is equals to 7 by 21. Always what we need to find, that number will come down. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Q is equals to 1 by 3 we got. Now what we have to do, put Q is equals to 1 by 3 in any equation. So I'll prefer 1. 5p plus Q is equals to 2. 5p plus q value is 1 by 3 is equals to 2. 5p this side only. 2 minus 1 by 3. So 5p let it be as it is. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 complete 3 because we multiplied here. Now this 3 divide is there. I'll bring here and it will multiply. 3 5s are 15p. 6 minus 1 is 5. P is equals to 5 by 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So we got P also is 1 by 3. Both Q and P we got 1 by 3. Therefore, we know that 1 by x minus 1 is P. We have taken now 1 by x minus 1 as it is. P value is 1 by 3. Let us cross multiply. X minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1 only. 3 1s are 3. X is equals to 3 plus 1. X is equals to 4. We got x value is 4. Similarly, what we have to do? 1 by y minus 2 is equals to q. We have taken 1 by y minus 2 as it is. Q value is 1 by 3. Cross multiply. Y minus 2 into 1. Y minus 2. 3 1s are 3. Y is equals to 3 minus 2 if we bring here plus 2. Y value we got 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have to find always x and y value. Now let me see the fifth one question. I'll write the question number 5. What the question number 5 is, 7x minus 2y by x by y is equals to 15. Bit different it is. 8x plus 7y by xy is equals to 15. So this is the question they have given. We can see here question number 5. 7x minus 2y by xy is equals to 5. And 8x plus 7y by xy is equals to 15. Fifth one is exactly same as sixth one. This xy we have to multiply here. It is exactly sixth one. So sixth one you have to try yourself. Fifth one I am doing, which is exactly same like sixth one. Okay. So fifth one let me do. 7x minus 2y. xy should multiply here. It will become 15xy. This side also same thing. 8x plus 7y here only. xy divide is there. If we go that side, it will become multiply 15xy. Now, we know that it should be reducible form. So, divide whole equation by xy. Okay. Divide this side also whole equation by xy. What we will get? 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equals to 15xy by xy. What we will get? X get cancelled, 7 by y we will left. Y get cancelled, 2 by x is equals to xy get cancelled, 15 only. Similar same way we have to do the same thing. 8x by xy plus 7y by xy. Throughout we have to divide now. 15xy by xy. Now even here x get cancelled. 8 by y we will get plus y get cancelled. 7 by x will get xy get cancelled. 15 will get. Now we will assume here 1 by y is first. So let 1 by y is equals to p and 1 by x is equals to q. So let us write now. Seven p minus 2q is equals to 15. This side 8p minus 7q is equals to 15. Okay. Same previous problem like. Now solving 1 and 2. Let us solve. 7p minus 2q is equals to 15. 8p minus 7q is equals to 15. Both 15. Something I have done wrong, huh? Both 15 they have not given now. 1 5 they have given and 1 15 they have given. Okay. By mistake I have written both 15. Here 5. Okay, from beginning you can see here 15 I had written 5, 5, 5, so 5. Okay, this side all 15. So let me change now. Here 5. Okay, only instead of 15 I have taken, instead of 5 I have taken 15. So here it will be 5, here 15. Correct? Okay. So let us start solving now. Into 8 into 7. Okay. 8 7s are 56p minus 8 2s are 16q is equals to 8 5s are 40. 7 8s are 56p plus 7 7s are 49q. 49q is equals to 15 7s are 105. It will come 105. Let us see, we have got same thing here. What we have to do? We have to change the sign. Same similar problem. This will get cancelled. Now minus minus, what is minus minus plus? 49 plus 16, 65 q. Both minus, we have to do plus but sign will be minus. 105 minus 40. 5 minus 0, 5. 10 minus 4, 65. Here also greater number is minus. So minus minus get cancelled. Q is equals to 65 by 65. 1 Q we got 1. Q value we got 1. Put Q is equals to 1 in any equation. Let us take 1. 7p minus 2q is equals to 5. Okay, so 7p I will write as it is, minus 2 into 1 is equals to 5 because q value is 1. 7p minus 2 ones are 2 is equals to 5. 7p is equals to 5 minus 2. If we bring this side, it will become plus. 7p is equals to 5 plus 2 is 7. p is equals to 7 by 7. p is equals to 1. So we got p value also 1 and q value also 1. Let us substitute now. We know that 1 by y is equals to p. So 1 by y is equals to p is 1. So y also is equals to 1. It will become 1 only now. 1 by x is equals to q. 1 by x is equals to 1. So x also is nothing but 1. So here we got x and y value. I told you in the question only, sixth one is exactly similar. So try yourself. Unless and until you will not try yourself, you will not understand how to do the problem. Okay, now let us do the seventh one problem. So let us see the seventh one problem here in a textbook. 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equals to 4. 15 by x plus y, 5 by x minus y is equals to minus 2. Similarly, 8th one also is same. Only the thing is 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x minus y. Same, only here x plus y they have given 3x plus y. So 8th one similarly same you have to try. So let us see the 7th one. Let 1 by x plus y is equals to p and 1 by x minus y is equals to q. Exactly same. So let us solve now. 1 by x plus y is p plus x minus y is q is equals to 4. 15 1 by x plus y is p minus 1 by x minus y is 5q is equals to minus 2. Same way again you have to do. 10p plus 2q is equals to 4. 15p minus 5q is equals to minus 2. Here, instead of taking 10 and 15, big number, we can take this also. But if we want, we can take 10 and 5 too. So that we should not get confused here. Instead of this also we can take, or that. I'll take 2, 5 this side and 2 this side. We can take, if second numbers are small, we can take middle number also. Or else this number same we can take. Nothing, you will get the same answer. So 5 tens are 50p plus 5 twos are 10q is equals to 5 fours are 20. 15 twos are 30p minus 2 fives are 10q is equals to 2 twos are minus 4. Here we can see direct 1 plus 1 minus we have got. So directly it will get eliminated. Minus 30 plus 8, 50 plus 30 is 80p is equals to 20 minus 4 is 16. So p is equals to 16 by 80. Now we can see here 16 ones are 16, 16 fives are 80. So p value we got 1 by 5. Put p is equals to 1 by 5 in any equation. Put p is equals to 1 by 5 in 1. Okay, 1 I'll take. 10p plus 2q is equals to 4. 10 p value is 1 by 5 plus 2q as it is equals to 4. Here we can cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 plus 2q is equals to 4. 2q is equals to 4 minus 2. 2q is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. Q is equals to 2 by 2. Get cancel and q value what we get? 1. Now p value we got 1 by 5 and q value we got 1. So we know that we know that 1 by x plus y is equals to p. 1 by x plus y is equals to p is 1 by 5. So cross multiply x plus y ones are x plus y, 5 ones are 5. Here we got one more equation. So first equations 1 and 2 we have taken. So this 3. Now 1 by x minus y is equals to q. 1 by x minus y is equals to 1. So x minus y, ones are x minus y. So 1 as it is. Equation 2. Sorry, 3 after 4. Now same way solving 3 and 4. X plus y is equals to 5. X minus y is equals to 1. Solving 1 and 3 and 4 we get. Here direct cancellation. Y get cancel. X plus x, 2x. 5 plus 1, 6. X is equals to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. We need always finding the value of x and y. X we got 3. Put x is equals to 3 in equation 3. X plus y is equals to 5. X 3 plus y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5 minus 3. Y is equals to 2. We got x value and y value. Similarly, you have to do the 8th one problem. Try yourself. 8th one. How it will be? What you have to take? Let 1 by 3x plus y is equals to p. And 1 by 3x minus y is equals to q. In 8th one problem, you have to take this. Instead of, I have taken this 7th one, 1 by x plus y. Now, here 3x plus y. Exactly same way you have to do. Now, next problem, that is word problems. We can see here. Now word problem. Formulate the following problems as a pair of linear equation and hence find the solution. Okay. Here we can see this. Let me read the question. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. In the sense, in this stream. Okay, this question is very easy. One thing you should remember here that is upstream and downstream. As we go upstream, we have to minus it and downstream it will be adding. Okay, so let me write the solution for this. Let the speed of Ritu, first one question. Second main first, this is the word problem, so statement let me write properly. Let the speed of Ritu in still water be x kilometer per hour. Let us take x kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, and the speed of Ritu in current water, that is stream, be y kilometer per hour. Okay, this is about the speed of Ritu. Now, speed of Ritu while rowing upstream. Speed of Ritu while rowing upstream. I have told you upstream the energy will be wasted. As we go the energy, more energy we have to put. That means reduce x minus y. And speed of Ritu while rowing downstream. While coming it will be x plus y. So according to equation, according to given condition, let me read the question one more time. See, they have told speed Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. What? Downstream x plus y 20 km in 2 hours. Okay, and next what they have told, and Upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. Upstream minus 4 kilometer in 2 hours. Okay. So let us solve this. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. X plus y is equals to 10. X minus y is equals to 2. Equation 1, equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. We get x plus y is equals to 10 upon, that is x minus y is equals to 2. Here we can directly eliminate, nothing is multiplication because here both x but positive sign, we can't. Here 1 plus 1 minus, direct elimination. 2x is equals to 12. X is equals to 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. X is equals to what we got? 6. Put x is equals to 6 in equation 1. Similar problems. X plus y is equals to 10. 6 plus y is equals to 10. 6y in place of x, 6. Y is equals to 10 minus 6. Y is equals to 4. So this is the statement problem we have to write. Therefore, Ritu's speed in still water is x na, that is 6 km per hour, and Ritu's speed in current, that is stream, is y, that is 4 km per hour. This is the solution. Likewise, second one you have to try yourself. Statement problem which is very easy. You have to try yourself second one. Let me do the third one problem which is bit different. Okay. Let us read out the question number third. Second one is easy it is. So third one, Ruhi travels 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. Okay. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. See this question, let me explain you people. Like how, for example, if we want to go to office, then few times we can go by halfway by metro, then we'll get down, then halfway by bus. Like that it is. Like this problem it is. That they saying that total kilometer to her home is 300 kilometer. She is going to the home, travel by home, halfway by bus and halfway by train. But they have changed the question. They have told find the speed of train and speed of bus separately. So let the speed of train be, x or whatever we want we can take. Okay, x kilometer per hour, and let the speed of the bus be y kilometer per hour. Now the question is, according to the condition, that is very important, according to given condition. Let me read the question, and you people also while watching the video keep the textbook open or else you will not understand this question, because they have told, let me see, Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by. She takes 4 hours. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train. 60 km by train, then remaining by bus. Out of 300, if she travels 60 by train, how much remains? 240 will remain. 240 by bus. She takes 4 hours. This is the first condition. Second condition, if she travels 100 km by train remaining by bus. Remaining it will be 200 out of 300 kilometer. 200 by y. She will take 4 hours longer. 10 minutes longer. So 4 into 10 minutes is nothing but 10 by 60. We have to convert into hours, right? Okay. 0, 0 get cancelled. Let us see. 60 by x. No. Let 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q. Reduce to the equation. Okay. 60p plus 240q is equals to 4. Here 100p plus 200q. Here we should first convert. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. See, it is in mixed fraction. We have to do in proper or improper fraction. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 by 6. But here it is in denominator 25 by 6 form. So let us convert properly this. 6 we will multiply here. 600p plus 6 2s are 1200q is equals to 25. Now we can see here this whole equation we can divide. This equation 1 we will keep. This we can divide by 25 or 4 we can divide. We can divide by 25 or 5. 5 let us divide and see. Divide by 5 because we know 5 it is divisible. 5 1s are 5, 1 remains. 5 2s are 10, 0 as it is p. Plus 5 2s are 10, 2 remains. 5 4s are 20, 0 as it is equals to 5 5s are 25. If we want to divide the whole equation we have to divide. How I have divided? 5 1s are 5, 1 remains. 5 2s are 10, 0 as it is, p as it is, plus 5 2s are 10, 2 remains. 5 4s are 20, 0 as it is, q is equals to 5 5s are 25. Equation 2. Okay, solving 1 and 2 now. Solving 1 and 2, what we'll get? We can see here we have 240 in both the equation. Okay, so let us change the sign. Minus, minus and minus. Let us see what we'll get here. This 240 get cancelled. 120 minus 60 is 60p. Greater sign is minus. And this side minus 5 minus 4 minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. So p is equals to 1 by 60. P value we got 1 by 60. So put 1 by 60. P is equals to 1 by 60 in equation 1. Okay. 60p plus 240q is equals to 4. Okay. 60 into 1 by 60. P value is 1 by 60 plus 240q is equals to 4. 60 get cancelled. 1 plus 240q is equals to 4. 240q is equals to 4 minus 1. 240q is equals to 3. Q is equals to 3 by 240. So 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 0 as it is. Q value we got 1 by 80. Now we know that we have taken, right, 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q. 1 by x, let it be as it is. P is 1 by 60. Cross multiply. X 1s are x, 60 1s are 60. 1 by y is equals to q 1 by 80. Y 1s are y, 80 1s are 80. Therefore, speed of train is x x is 60 kilometer per hour and speed of bus is 80 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. So this completes the linear equation. So in my next video I am going to start a new topic. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and do like and share. Thank you.